Welcome to Mark's British Airways Fleet Update, looking at short and long-haul fleets.
It's time once again for the British Airways Fleet Update here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams. We'll be looking at all the latest developments across the short and long-haul fleets, including the CityFlyer and EuroFlyer subsidiaries. Make sure you like this video and drop us your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and click for notifications. Now, let's get going with this week's update.
Hello and welcome along. Welcome to the British Airways Fleet Update here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams, bringing you the latest across short and long haul, the BA subsidiaries as well. The headlines this week, well, we've got the latest on the A320neo deliveries, detailed updates on aircraft defects and those that got stranded overseas, a bit of a focus again on the 787s, A380 latest news on the refit, and an update on Starlink Wi-Fi fitment. So we'll start, as we always do, the British Airways CityFlyer fleet, the Embraer 190s out of London City. Lima Charlie Yankee Romeo remains down at Exeter. Lima Charlie Yankee Lima. I never quite understand these moves. I don't know if they're sort of pilot training or something else. You may know, and you may want to drop me a note in the comments. But Lima Charlie Yankee Lima on the 30th of April flew down as the Flyer 9760. Arrived on the ground in Exeter at 10:16, and then 2.5 hours, not even 2.5 hours actually, nearly 2.5 hours, the Flyer 9761 back from Exeter to London City. So do help me understand that. Otherwise, a pretty quiet week across the Embraer 190 fleet at CityFlyer. Over at Gatwick, EuroFlyer, that's the other subsidiary, Echo, a uniform X-ray Golf, remains at Malta. Been there quite a while now, getting on for 3 months. Flight to Verona with Echo Uniform X-ray Foxtrot from Gatwick on the 29th of April. Turned back over Belgium. Had already descended down to 17,000 feet from 23,000. Aircraft back to Gatwick out of use on arrival. Expecting to see that return shortly, but the flight was then resourced with Echo Uniform X-ray Mike, and they kicked off again 3 hours and 40 minutes late. A Dubrovnik flight on the 1st of May, 2720, unable to land in Dubrovnik. The aircraft diverted over the Adriatic to Bari in Italy. Return flight 2721 cancelled, the aircraft back empty as the Griffin 34 Bravo Yankee from Bari to London Gatwick. Very little maintenance going on during the summer, focusing on using the aircraft in commercial traffic. Over at Heathrow, the short-haul Airbus fleet, Delta Bravo Charlie Kilo remains in Malta. Echo Uniform November remains in Glasgow. Tango November Bravo flew back from its maintenance at Gatwick on the 2nd of May back to London Heathrow, BA 9278. And Tango November Charlie flew the other way, Heathrow to Gatwick as the BA 9277. Echo Uniform Yankee India at Dublin for maintenance. That finished on the 30th of April. The BA 9276 was the flight back from Dublin. Commercial duties resuming the next day. Echo Uniform Yankee Hotel flew out to Malta on the 21st of April for maintenance, and Echo Uniform Yankee Lima, which we reported last time in difficulty in Milan, it returned to Heathrow back to normal flying on the 29th of April on the BA 530 to Naples. Echo Uniform Papa Golf out in Malta for its maintenance. That remains there, life extension work. Tango November Kilo remains in Madrid. Tango November Victor, we talked last time, that was involved in road vehicle contact in Marrakesh. The aircraft flew back, but it didn't actually resume commercial duties until the 30th of April, and even then the aircraft was a bit of a late start on the Hanover rotation. Echo uniform Echo flew out to Paris Charles de Gaulle on the 26th of April, unable to make the return flight, the 309. That was cancelled. The aircraft remained on the ground from the 26th to the 27th and then flew back empty, BA 9273 Charles de Gaulle, to London Heathrow, resuming duties the next day. Echo uniform Oscar flew out to Budapest, return flight cancelled, the BA 867 on the 26th of April. Aircraft came back the following evening as the BA 9274 Budapest to London Heathrow, and aircraft flew out to Rome. Echo uniform Yankee Delta 25th of April as the BA 556. The 557 back cancelled that evening. The aircraft remained on the ground for couple of days and returned on 27th of April, BA 9275, and a couple of days Heathrow before it resumed normal flying. Just a reminder, we've used this slide before, not shown it for a while. This was the 2025 withdrawal, the scrapping program, and quite a few of those aircraft were indeed withdrawn. 3 of them reprieved by going out to Malta, 3 of the 319s given a life extension check. But 3 of those aircraft remain flying. Oscar Golf, Papa Kilo, Papa Delta were expected to be withdrawn at the end of 2025. Now, I keep saying this, but just as a reminder, those aircraft will at some point need either to come in for a maintenance check, which will give them the ability to fly a bit longer, or they'll be withdrawn from traffic. So we'll just keep an eye out for that. Moving across to the long-haul fleet, to the Airbus A350s, X-Ray Whiskey Bravo Echo remains under maintenance in Bordeaux. Just a quick update, that's Sabina Technics, and confusingly nothing to do with the former Belgium airline. It's an aircraft maintenance and repair operation, originally part of the French airline TAT, which did run a BA franchise, now owned by private equity based in Paris. Otherwise, quite a quiet time for the A350 fleet, which has been going about its business, working hard and doing a good job. On the A380 fleet, Echo Foxtrot remains in Manila. Echo Delta did a very late running trip out to Johannesburg from the 25th of April that flew on the 26th. Echo 5 hours late on the BA 207 out to Miami. Echo Golf has been out of use at Heathrow since the 1st of May, and we've got the suggestion in that it will be Echo Charlie that's the first to be fitted with the new first class, the Club Suites upgrade, due to head out to Manila in June. Let's wait and see if that's true. On the 777 fleet across British Airways, Yankee Mike Charlie, maintenance at Cardiff drew to a close on the 28th of April. The aircraft flying back as the BA 9179 to Gatwick and back into traffic that evening. Sierra Tango Bravo November back from Cardiff maintenance on the 30th of April as the BA 9170, that aircraft heading out to Singapore, replaced by Sierra Tango Bravo Papa on the BA 9178 to Cardiff on the 28th of April. Victor India Charlie out of use for about 11 days at London Heathrow, flying out to Barbados on the 29th of April as the BA 255. Yankee Mike Golf from the Heathrow fleet headed to Gatwick to support the Gatwick long-haul fleet and departed on the BA 9170 on the 26th of April, leaving just a couple of minutes before the airport closed down at 2300. Flew out the next day, BA 2039 to Orlando, just the one rotation and back on the BA 9156 from Gatwick to Heathrow. Sierra Tango Bravo Oscar's been out of use at London Heathrow since the 22nd of April. Bit of news for you on the Dreamliner fleet for British Airways. Zulu Bravo Kilo Golf has reliably resumed its duties now from the 27th of April. Juliet Alpha Starlink Wi-Fi fitted, that aircraft back in traffic. Kilo Foxtrot remains at Cardiff for club suites and other cabin improvements. Kilo Juliet out of use on the ground. London Heathrow since the 30th of April. Juliet Bravo flew out to Delhi on the 29th of April. Appears that aircraft's not returned as the BA 136, that was cancelled. The aircraft remains on the ground in Delhi. Second occasion in recent days that the Mexico flights had difficulty. Zulu Bravo Kilo Romeo flew out on the BA 243 on the 26th of April, initially held over the Gulf of Mexico. The aircraft eventually diverting to Guadalajara, where the aircraft remained for crew rest to the early hours of the 28th of April, coming back as the BA 9605 at 0250. It's not entirely clear if any passengers were sort of ferried over from Mexico City. Normally a flight number that begins with 96 is an additional flight that is carrying passengers, but not normal, of course, for BA to get passengers to Guadalajara. Zulu Bravo Juliet Golf has had a lot of problems in recent times. It's not delivered great performance since resuming duties after a number of months out of use. It had a test flight, it did 2 Delhis and a St. Louis, detained in St. Louis for 3 hours, but did come back. It was then out of use on the ground at Heathrow for 3 days, and it's flown the BA 277 to Hyderabad, and it remains, as I put this to press, in Hyderabad out of use. Just a quick update on Starlink. That's currently going on and live across the 7878 fleet. Last time we said 4, this time 5 aircraft fitted and working. All the details on Starlink there. The 5 aircraft listed. Let's wait and see how they get on with that. And Dreamliners, well, 1 in Hyderabad, 1 in Mumbai, 3 in Cardiff, 1 in each subclass, and 1 aircraft at Heathrow under maintenance. 6 aircraft, 14% of the fleet out of use. That's it then. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the British Airways fleet update. Very grateful for those who press the like button on YouTube. Even better if you give me a comment. Thanks to everyone from Flyer Talk for their hints and tips, information, pointers for deeper research. Do check that out. And I will catch you here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams for another video very, very soon.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the great trips Mark has coming your way on this YouTube channel.